Welcome to the WBX Customer Portal training video. WBX is South Africa's leading and integrated and most comprehensive weighbridge management solution. In today's session, we will learn how to register a new company on the Foscor Customer Portal. This secure process ensures that only registered and valid companies are able to transact with Foscor. This is an important step that only takes place once the first time you register. Thereafter, you become a user of the system and you do not need to worry about registering again. This video takes you through the process of creating your company on the Foscor portal. The objective of this video is to create a new company, whether you are a customer or a supplier to Foscor, on the WBX Customer Portal. It must be remembered that every customer and supplier is a primary user of the customer portal. It is important that the company, whether a customer or a supplier, is created, registered, and authorized for use on the portal. Once authorized, use of the system will allow you to register vehicles, register drivers, and link these to shipments when you deliver goods to Foscor or collect goods from Foscor. In this session, we will learn how to navigate to the customer portal, how to self-register in WBX's Identity X module. We will show you how to complete your identity registration form for a company representative. We will then demonstrate how to activate your Identity X account using an email that will be sent to you. And finally, we'll link your Identity X account to the customer portal and to your Foscor account. This will then be the beginning of your activation and your link to the Foscor customer portal. And lastly, we will demonstrate how to log into your main company account. First, we provide a little bit of background as to how a company registration process works. The registration process starts by registering your company representative, a unique individual in your organization that is going to represent your organization with Foscor. The representative is a senior person who is responsible for loading new users and managing the portal registration. The company representative is not expected to be the person who completes vehicle deliveries and registrations and driver registrations. So we start by registering the company representative on Identity X. Identity X is a standalone registration module that ensures governance and security of users with multi-factor authentication. The second step is to validate the Identity X registration by receiving an email and clicking on the validation link in the email. This ensures that the user and the email address used for the user is correct and linked. The third step in the registration is to convert the Identity X registration into a customer portal registration. This is a pre-completed form that the customer representative will use to complete the customer portal access. Finally, you will need to link your company in the customer portal to your Foscor account. Foscor will provide you with a unique number that you will type into a specific field that connects your company to your Foscor account. And finally, with the registration complete, we then can log into the system and make use of it. We are now ready to access the Foscor customer portal. Please refer to your Foscor representative for the exact URL/website address for the WBX customer portal. For the purposes of demonstration, we'll be using a demonstration site. Once you've entered your address, click on the three lines and click on Login and Identity Account to go to Identity X to create your user. Normally you would log in. However, today we need to create a new user, so please click on Register. Please fill in the registration details for the company nominated representative who is going to represent the engagement between Foscor and your company. This is the administrative user. Type in the username, email, and cell phone numbers as indicated. Please be accurate about this, as this is the key information that will be used to validate information. Enter an 8-digit password and save the registration. The screen will confirm that the user has now been successfully registered on IdentityX. It is now important to validate that the user received an email and validate the user registration. The nominated representative will receive an email. He will validate by clicking on the word "Here" in the email. This sends a confirmation to the WBX portal and links the user email to the IdentityX account. A web screen will be showing that the registration email has been confirmed. The company representative will now return to the customer portal and log in using the credentials that they just created in the registration screen. Click on the three lines, click on Login, click on Identity Account, confirm the details and the parameters. You do not need to make any changes, accept yes, and you will see your details shown on the customer portal registration. This is an important validation that the information is correct. It is now important that you accept the external identity and the registration by clicking on the purple button, Register External Identity. This will take you back to the main screen, and if you click on the menu 3 items, you will see a new menu item called Applications. Click on Applications and click on Organization Owner. The organization owner is you, the single representative that is the main representative between yourself and Foscor. We now need to link your account to the Foscor unique identity that Foscor will provide you. Please refer to your Foscor representative for this unique number. When you have received the number, you will type it in under the title third-party code. Please be accurate in the capturing of this unique code. Submit it, and you will receive an application form. You'll notice that the application has been submitted successfully. Your company representative has now been registered, validated, and linked to the Foscor account. The company representative is now free to use the portal to create and validate new users within the organization. They will be responsible for approving new user registrations on the portal. In this session, we have learned how to register a new company, whether you are a customer or a supplier, on the WBX customer portal and linking you to the Foscor account you have. We've shown you how to self-register in the IdentityX module. We've guided you on how to complete the IdentityX registration form, and then finally how to activate your identity account using the email sent to you. With IdentityX complete, we now need to link your IdentityX account in the customer portal. This puts you in a position to use the customer portal to continue registering users in your organization. Thank you for your attention in this video.